There's Rudy. He made it. Whew. Almost there, Corv. Brave effort. That's it. He's made it. 50 metres, mate. Keep it going. Alex. Prendi. Vieni, vieni, vieni. Take it. Guarda che non cade niente fuori. Ah? A cima. Corv, keep going. Another, just a little bit further. Come on. I'm not changing. I'm just going to put on arm warmers and the spray jacket. I'm dry. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm.
Where's your dog?
He's got it back there. I'm drying off.
Is it cold?
Nah.
I can't stand that cold air on my chest.
Good. The sunshine is so warm. Good. Would you believe 1760 metres in 30 k's? Oh, I just love that mass there. That area there's just brilliant. Have a look at that. Let's see if we can get. There's Rudy there. With. Yeah. Well, just in case people are wondering who it is. When this goes worldwide. I saw one marmot that was so fat.
That's what I feel like. Too fat. As Dr. Ferrari said, you just too fat.
Good. Can you come back here and grab the helmet off me and when you're ready? Alex is filming. We made it. Just.
Hardest climb of my life so far.
1800 metres in 31 k's.
Dove sei adesso?
Colle Fauniera.
Fauniera. E questo è il monumento a
It's the Pantani Monument.
Monument Pantani.
Monument Pantani. What's a couple of metres amongst friends?
Ma sai che tu mi hai rotto questa statua, la roata davanti e la recchia.
Yeah, trying to see him. Yeah. Where are they? Oops. I'll point it right at him. I'm up on the top of the climb there. The other riders coming. We're going to go down there and then we're going to go left. Then we can get some flat and then we got one more climb. I know what that's going to be like. But there's Giorgio. That's the road we came along. My back's killing me. Jesus. Pain. Have a look at that. It's this other formation just over here, which I think is fascinating. I hope I'm getting this correctly. I can't really tell. I'm just holding this silly thing. Yeah, this little formation there. That's amazing. Alright, have a look at that baby. That's the road we came out. What a crawl. And this is this weird thing here. Whatever that is. And here come more of them. More riders. Oh, even more riders. No guys struggling with these mountain bikes. That's very real. That guy's chuffing along nicely. Yeah. Bye bye.